Alright, next up we need to complete the discussion and analysis. That's basically the body section, that's what they used to call it in the past. So at the moment we don't have anything here, and we need to put our 3 subheadings that we created here. Now we basically called them categories under our research questions. So please check which categories you used under research questions and go and add them under discussion and analysis now as subheadings. Okay, now what we're going to do, and it really helps to have your navigation pane open to be able to jump between these sections. So if you don't, you can go to your View tab and just switch it on over there, Show Navigation Pane. Right, so back to your research question. And you should have your 10 research questions. And this is just a basic question example with not a very good answer, but you get the idea. Your answers were supposed to be a bit longer, almost like a little paragraph. Now, the big thing is you were supposed to specify the source number, and now what we need to do is we need to go and look what's the source number. Okay, so source 1 was for Stuart Pym. Okay, so now we need to insert a citation for Stuart Pym behind this paragraph. Okay, alright, and it needs to be an automatic citation. Now you can go and copy this paragraph that you have with the citation, and you must make sure that it's the correct source. Now you can go and copy this paragraph, not the whole cell, okay? Just the paragraph, copy it, and check under which category it belongs, and paste it under that category. Don't paste it as plain text, because then it won't have, and then the citation won't be dynamic anymore. Do you see? It's not a field anymore. So you have to paste it, keeping the source formatting. Right. So that the citation is still a field. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to cut and paste and put all the answers to the questions under the correct heading now. But as you can see from the answer here, I actually don't know what on earth this actually initially meant, because I didn't phrase it correctly. So I now need to rephrase this. So you're going to have to do a little bit of editing here to rephrase this and actually say deforestation. Deforestation is defined as the cutting down of trees, or whatever, just so that the sentences still make sense now that you don't see the question anymore. That's the big thing, is you can't just go and paste the answers here, and if the person doesn't see the question, then they actually don't understand what on earth this now means. Right. And of course you're going to have more than one answer under each heading, and you now need to edit these so that it forms a nice paragraph, or more than one paragraph, that follows on one another. So you'll see there's a mark that basically says the paragraphs flow nicely from one to the next. It's one mark, but it's very good to actually read through the content and check that, just like you would do with a normal project, that it actually makes a logical argument where you move from the one paragraph to the next. So put in some sentences to link the one paragraph to the next. So just do a bit of editing with your text under your discussion and analysis when you're done. Just make sure that every single paragraph has to have a citation. Every single paragraph under your discussion and analysis has to have a citation to prove from which source you got that information. Okay.